Florence Belli is from Port Europe. Florence, welcome. Could you tell us a little bit about Port Europe, what the company does?
Port Europe is a manufacturer for bags, for notebooks, and specialists for stands. So they are specialists for protecting and carrying the notebooks. That's what they do.
And why is Port actually attending DCC CIS this year?
Okay. We are attending, this is the second time we are attending this fair. Why? Because since 2006 we started expansion from Western Europe, where Port is based in France and based in UK and Germany, Spain. From this base they started to expand to Eastern Europe, and of course the biggest market from Eastern Europe is Russia. So this is like a pearl in the crown.
How much potential do you think there is in the Russian market? How big is this market?
You know, the market is huge. The number, you just check the number of people living in Russia. So of course the market is huge and the potential is huge, but this is not that much important. You can see a big cake and you can never come inside if you don't put your effort to localize your product, to support your local distributor. There will be nothing. So the potential, of course, is there, but if you are not ready to help to get this potential, this is nothing.
And you now have a Port employee in Russia itself?
We don't have a Port employee in Russia itself. We have a Port employee who is a Russian person, still based in Western Europe, in Germany actually with me, because Port is a company which is really externalized. So we have a head office and sales office in Paris, but many sales person live in local countries, in UK, in Germany. So we are based in Germany with the CIS team, and it's a Russian-speaking person. We are traveling every month to Russia. So this is the first step. The next step, definitely, it will be to have somebody here, of course, but we grow step by step.
How valuable is it to be able to come to one event where you can meet retailers from all across the whole of Russia in one place at one time?
I think for Western companies who are starting to export, who are like beginners in new markets, this is, to my opinion, the only way. So it's a big value to be here in DCC. It's very important because we don't know this market, and it is a way not only to meet people, but to learn about this market. If you don't learn, the meetings you are doing are just like falling in emptiness. So it's very valuable for us.
There are several vendors in the field that you work in. Why should retailers choose to stock and sell Port products rather than a competitor?
You know, that's the same question for a notebook manufacturer. Yesterday we saw so many notebooks presented as an innovation, and you see it's the same box. So why should the retailer get this product instead of this one? The real thing is the company Port is really trying to offer the best quality to the price they offer. We are working in a mid-range level, and we think we are one of the best manufacturers in this area. We are willing to give the biggest support we can. And the last thing is coming from Western Europe, where retail business is very developed since a long time. We have a real knowledge about this retail business, and we are sure that what we know from Western Europe we can bring and buy to retailer here in Russia. So that's already 3 good reasons for them to start to work with us.
So for a retailer, how important is it for them to actually sell a bag when they sell a notebook? What are the benefits?
The point is, when retailers are selling hardware, the margin swallow and became very, very small. In some cases, it is less than 10%. So it is necessary, definitely necessary, to sell accessories for retailers to upgrade the selling and to improve the profit. That's the best reason to sell. The second is because when you have a bag, when you have a notebook, you need to carry it. because now people are moving. They are not only staying in office, so you need to carry, you need a bag. So it's a necessary product.
Florence, thank you very much for your time and enjoy the rest of the show.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.